Welcome to the Global European Marketplace 2024. We have 250 tables of buyers, we have nearly 500 people talking to those buyers, and we have 15,000 appointments between the buyers that are represented here and the suppliers. This is the beginning of a number of really important conversations that people have, both the people that they've had appointments with and all the people that they meet during the day, the new contacts from which you get new ideas.
I think GEM is the event of the year. It's even better than the World Travel Market because you have here all the tour operators from all over the world, and we have 10 minutes to convince them to work with us. And I have like about 40 appointments today, so I hope I get 10 clients out of it.
GEM is a fantastic event for us because it allows us to see a lot of people in a very short amount of time that normally we can't see. It's just a really beneficial event for us.
What I love about GEM is having the opportunity to be able to network with peers, but also being able to work collaboratively with our domestic products.
I love GEM because it gives you the opportunity to connect with new partners, as well as reconnect with old partners, so re-establish the connection that sometimes it's missing because obviously we are working in different countries and it's very difficult to find. So for me, definitely GEM has been extremely important. I've been to others as well and very, very much important as well, but GEM is for me the best one.
I like the fact that GEM is easy to combine with events like WTM. I like the fact that GEM is also located in London, which is a very important hub for us. A lot of our most important DMC partners are located in London, and GEM in general is a very productive, a very efficient format.
GEM is a really important event. I really do enjoy it because it's very concentrated. In the space of 9 hours, I get to talk to so many influential companies and people. And you really can do business here. We do business every time. I've had 3 appointments so far this morning, and each one has led to something that will come to fruition.
You could call it speed dating on steroids, right? But in a good way, because you don't need much to realize whether there is a match for what you need or what the partner is or the supplier trying to sell you.
It's a time factor. So you only travel to one destination, but you meet so many partners from various destinations and source markets.
GEM is my favorite event of the year. Of everything that we do through the year, it's the most beneficial. It's where we've made some terrific partnerships that have led on to great cooperation and some long-standing relationships. And even today I've got back-to-back meetings, and I would say a good 80 to 90% of those meetings will prove to be very beneficial. So if I could recommend for anyone to attend one event in London, it would be GEM by far.
What I like the most is probably the networking. It's not just the meetings, official meetings, but also the less official meetings and sharing the knowledge, sharing what is in the pipeline and stuff. So great for connecting with people.
For me is discovery new products, new supplier, and I find the influence the way ahead. The next year, the new plans, the new itineraries, what you are going to include, what are the new trends.
GEM, in 3 words, is a powerful networking opportunity.
GEM for me is always a different experience. It's never dull, never boring.
Very important for doing business.